Hey guys, so I decided to start doing a thing because I really like crafting. I really like being crafty, and I kind of want to get better at it, and practice makes perfect. So I decided to take you guys on this journey with me. Today I'm going to be doing something kind of little but also kind of extreme. I'm going to be painting skulls. And I've always really liked bone art. I've always seen it online of people doing it, and it's always kind of fascinated me, and I've always wanted that kind of art in my house. I don't have any, mostly because these kinds of pieces are really expensive because it takes so much time in the finding of these things, because I don't go out and kill these things. These things are just kind of given to me. So, like, these two that I have with me right now, not this one, I also have this beautiful one. These were all given to me by my friend Chloe, and I originally used them in my escape room that I built last year. And now I don't really have a use for them, so I'm thinking, like, why not do something fun? Why not do some kind of decor with them? So I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. So as you can see, they've already been bleached. Now, whenever you do get this kind of bone, whenever it's in this state, always bleach them. At least that's my recommendation. Now, the girls who actually do this professionally, girls and guys, who actually do this professionally will probably tell you a different story. The reason why this stain, by the way, is there, because I put fake blood on it. Anyways. They might probably tell you differently. That's just what I always heard to do when they were in this kind of condition, was bleach them. But I don't know. Let me know if I'm doing it the wrong way, because I would like some actual knowledge. So right here in my little coffin of paint, I have all kinds of things. I have all kinds of different colors. As you can see, I mostly have dark colors, and then also I did an art project with some bees. And so I have all kinds of different things. So I'm excited today to kind of start playing the fuck around. So please excuse the way that I look. I literally just got off of work, and you are kind of in my costume storage area. As you can see from back there, you can see some like rocky pieces and all that kind of fun stuff. So, did not prepare for this at all. So I'm going to start with this one first. I don't know if I'll get to this one in this video, but I'm going to start with this one. As you can see, this one has a little bit more damage to it than the other. So I think what I'm going to do is turn this one into a jack-o'-lantern. We will see if I'm able to actually fucking pull that off. I am not a real DIYer or, whatever the fuck. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I think what I'm gonna do is, because I've painted the parts I want orange, what I think I'm gonna do is antlers black, and like the insides black, and then this part black. I'm going to try at least to make it look kinda cool. And then I'm thinking this is where I'm gonna put the pumpkin face. Hopefully. Sorry, my nails are so shitty. So, like, I don't know if this is my finished product, because I think I'm gonna touch up some of these areas. But what I did was I did my antlers black, which I actually really, really like the black. I don't so much like the orange, like, at all. So, meh. This was my first trying to do something along these lines, and I probably won't do another Halloween-themed one again. Or at least not like that with the jack-o'-lantern face, or I might need a different kind of skull to do something like this, or maybe a different kind of brushes. In there, I literally cannot get it in there. I don't know how. But I have a couple more touch-ups, and then, yeah. She didn't turn out like I wanted her to, but for my first try, I think I did at least okay. So, I don't think that she's going to get any better. I don't know. I wish she would have turned out neater, but still kind of neat looking. So now, round 2. This one, I don't know which direction I'm actually going to take yet. I do know I want it to be black, mostly because I really liked how the black turned out on the other one, on my failed pumpkin one, or jack-o'-lantern. But yeah, I'm going to try black, and then we'll see where this kind of goes. So, I'm obsessed with this one. Fucking obsessed. I love how matte it turned. The only reason I just had to repaint some of that, so the only reason why that part isn't matte, but like you can kind of see all the imperfections whenever you get closer to it. But she's pretty fucking cool. I don't know if I'm going to leave her this way or do something else to her, but she turned out pretty fucking neat. Alright, there you guys go. There's my 2 finished products. I decided just to kind of leave this one black, just because I really, really like how fucking sick it looks. This one, I'm still kind of bummed out. I thought she was going to be kind of cooler than she turned out to be. But, you know, first time doing something like this. Can't really expect the best. But let me know if you guys like to see shit like this, and I'll keep doing it.